Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Ledger with USDC on Ethereum step by step clearly. Open your Ledger device and enter your PIN code to access your account. Connect your Ledger device to your computer or mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of Ledger Live software installed. Launch Ledger Live on your device. If you haven't already, add a new account for Ethereum in Ledger Live. Select your Ethereum account from the dashboard. Check your USDC balance in the Ethereum account. Navigate to the Send option in the Ledger Live interface. Enter the destination wallet address where you want to withdraw your USDC. Double-check the recipient's address for accuracy. Input the amount of USDC you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details carefully, including fees and total amounts. Click on Continue to proceed with the transaction. Ledger Live will prompt you to confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by following the on-screen instructions. After your confirmation, the transaction will be submitted to the Ethereum network. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which may take a few minutes. Check your Ethereum account in Ledger Live after the transaction is completed. You should see the updated balance reflecting the withdrawal. Always keep your Ledger device safe and secure after completing transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.